Hello, it's Dad from Now That's RVing. Today I'm going to show you to put on the hitch stabilizer. This is something that you want to do if you're carrying a bicycle rack or something, because what happens is that this moves a lot. Okay, so what this stabilizer does is it locks it in place, stabilizes it. So this is actually the Auto Raccoon hitch stabilizer, and I will show you again how to put that on. Okay, so it comes with a plate. U-bolt and some compression weight. So again, the rubber isolate, U-bolt, tightener plate, locking nuts, spring washer, and the nylon lock nut. Okay, so we'll put that on. You'll put the plate and see what the plate does. Okay. The plate will hook on there like that. And this will okay, so you'll well, you can hand tighten that. As you can see. Okay, once that's on, we'll put it in with the locking nut and washer. Okay. Same thing on the other side here. So you can use a 3/4. We're using a ratchet wrench, 3/4, and the same thing on this side. Again, that stabilizes that bicycle rack onto the hitch. I hope you enjoyed the short video on the installation of the Auto Raccoon hitch stabilizer. Please subscribe, like, and share. Now that's RVing.